This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at McDonald's black pepper and soy sauce. McDonald's has this theme right now here in Germany, mit Meckes die Welt, with McDonald's around the world. And this is part of that particular special product lineup, the black pepper and soy sauce. It is part of the Japan theme, and I bought this as part of a menu. I had the McShaker style fries before, which were not great at all, and I had the samurai burger before, which was quite alright. I liked it. So let's see what this one here is like. Pause if you want to read any of that. It just says black soy pepper sauce here in German, and all the other stuff is in German too. If you want to use Google Lens to translate that, feel free to do so. Anything else written on here? Nothing special at all that pops into my eyes. So let us open the black pepper and soy sauce now. Let's see what this is like. Ooh. Oh, it's like jelly. Oh, I don't know. This doesn't look too appetizing at all. Oh, this looks like something has gone bad, or some like industrial glue. This sort of stuff, right? That you maybe put on high temperature appliances, maybe like exhaust manifolds or something. This is what this looks like. Let's see what this smells of. It does smell a bit of soy sauce, yes. It does smell. Okay, yeah, it does smell of soy sauce, sort of, but not properly. Like, it doesn't have this particular sting in the nose. It tastes like the sort of bad soy sauce that you get in microwave meals, the stuff that you maybe should throw away and just use like regular soy sauce with the whole thing instead of using the one supplied with a meal. This is what this smells of. Yeah, let's take the spoon and scoop out some of this industrial glue, black pepper and soy sauce, I mean. Okay, it is quite sweet. There is some soy sauce flavor. A bit of spiciness, I suppose, from the pepper. These like shape. Oh yeah, okay. The pepper flavor is coming through a bit later. I guess these little pieces here are shredded pepper. I don't know. Yeah, slight spiciness to it. And I don't really know what to think of this. It's okay, but maybe this is the only time I'm ordering this. I've got some McShaker fries to go along with this now. Let's see what this duo can do to my taste buds. Oh my. Oh, this looks terrible. No. Well, I guess the soy pepper sauce, whatever it's called, isn't getting any better when it partners up with the McShaker fries or whatever. What? Yeah, McShaker fries. And the McShaker fries aren't necessarily getting any better with this either. I guess flavor-wise it's something. It's certainly not for me. I'd rather have just regular sweet and sour sauce with everything, you know. Yeah. So, it does have a certain soy sauce aspect to it. It does have a decent pepper flavor aspect to it. But I think the consistency is just a bit awful with this like jelly consistency. This is not making anything any better. And the look of it, like this sort of gooey stuff, it's just all black with some pieces in it. Doesn't really look like something you would eat, right? Okay. Well, I will finish this. Do not worry. But in total, on a scale from 1 to 10, what am I giving this? I think I'm giving this a 4 out of 10. If you really like this, then please do not feel offended. No, I guess it's got the soy sauce flavor, it's got the pepper flavor, the consistency is just very weird. The color doesn't help either, so yeah, I think that's all I can give it. And on that, I think it is already time to end this particular video. If you've got a question or a video suggestion, please feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then.